How to fix it when mobile data is not working on a Samsung. Mobile data not working properly on a Samsung smartphone is often the result of a specific setting or mode, such as airplane mode, being enabled or the incorrect preferences being selected after switching to a new mobile carrier. A damaged SIM card can also be behind a Samsung's network connection not connecting properly, as can cellular network outages. 1. Turn off airplane mode. If enabled, airplane mode will disable mobile, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi connections. 2. Turn airplane mode on and off again. Enable airplane mode for around 30 seconds and then disable it. This will reset all of your wireless connections and could fix your mobile problems. 3. Turn off Wi-Fi. Smartphones prefer to use Wi-Fi over cellular when connecting to the internet, even if the Wi-Fi connection is slow and barely working. 4. Restart your Samsung mobile device. A quick restart can fix a variety of connectivity problems. 5. Update your Samsung phone's operating system. Your Samsung device may require an important operating system or security update in order to connect to your mobile network. Connect to Wi-Fi before checking for an update. 6. Check if your cellular service provider is down. It's possible that your mobile service is down either in your immediate area or on a larger scale. Your provider's official social media account and website will usually have details on major outages. 7. Check your mobile service account. If you can, log into your account on your mobile service provider's website and make sure that there are no warnings or major notifications on your account. 8. Check your provider's network coverage. It's possible that you are outside of your provider's mobile network. 9. Switch network connections. If your 5G connection is causing you trouble, try manually switching to an available 4G LTE or even a 3G connection. 10. Reinsert your Samsung phone's SIM card. Safely remove the SIM card, inspect it for damage, and then carefully reinsert it, making sure that it's firmly in place. 11. Try a different SIM card. Borrow a friend's SIM card and see if you get any mobile bars. If you can connect to a mobile network with this other SIM card, it's likely that your SIM card is damaged. 12. Reset network settings. The process of resetting your mobile device's network settings will remove all stored records of previously used networks and their passwords and is a common fix for network errors. 13. Reset the APNs. You may need to change the APNs if you've recently switched carriers. 14. Do you need to unlock your Samsung mobile phone? If you've previously used your Samsung phone with another network provider, it's possible that you need to unlock it before it can be used with a new network. Check with your current provider to make sure before proceeding with this step. 15. Factory reset your Samsung mobile. The factory reset process will remove all locally stored data and settings and return your smartphone to its as new state. Doing so is usually a last resort when trying to fix a glitchy device.